chance to wake up and find your face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I woulda cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and bust a extra wine and make we see up a sun. Well, every time I fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes, your trigger finger do something that left the road girl hypnotized. For you it's just a thing, just another little fling. But for me this is heaven and the angel that must sing. It's a pity you already have a wife and me don't have a man in my life. Oh boy, it is a pity, yeah. I say it is such a pity. You already have a wife and me have a one man in my life. Oh boy, it is a pity. To walk you up in a public and can't even touch it really fuck me up because my check for you so much the respect from my heart. Be your woman, be your kids, believe her I'm a Chris. I know me it is, who knows? Maybe one day the world will be evolved enough. We'll share you in a civilized manner between the two of us. But until then, I would love to see you again. I know we have to play it by the stupid rules of men. Said if we never get a chance to get together, go with ya, time I love ya. Must say, so meet me around the corner, I'll fight Mixie and Lana. You know them, I do what they biggest informer. I'm not stopping for sex, no, not ball on next, no. But the way how you flex really pique my interest, yeah. The you are people see, and now the you are me loving, and the you are there with me go much deeper than sin. I don't know exactly what it is you're feeling, but I wish this was a permanent thing, yeah. It's such a pity. You all already have your wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity, yeah. It's such a pity. You all already have a wife, and me don't have a man in my life. Good boy, it is a pity. Me know say you